Warning, you can try this at home if you want to. I do not care. This is just a recipe, and I am not your dad. Hello, comrades. Today we're making potato salad. For potato salad, you need egg mayonnaise, chicken circles, sour cream, potatoes, peas and carrots, ham, and cucumbers or pickles. You boil potatoes. You boil egg. You cut pickles into tiny cubes. You add ham into bowl. You add pea and carrots into bowl. You peel boiled egg. Cut them into tiny squares. Mix everything in bowl. Take potato and it's hot. And cut into squares. Mix everything in bowl. Add mayonnaise. Mix everything in bowl. Add sour cream. Mix everything in bowl. Add salt and some pickle juice. Mix everything in bowl. And potato salad is done. It's good, yeah, it's good. And this cat, who likes ham,